Hi, I'm Tim Fisher, and I'm the CEO and General Partner, Investment Manager for Sterling Education, an education company from the UK that has invested here in Kurdistan. I'm exceptionally proud today. Why? I'm here to celebrate 35 students being in the top 10 Wazari results across Kurdistan. Remarkably, 29 of those are from Suleimania. And of those 29, we have 5 in the top 3. And remarkably and exceptionally, we have the number 1 in the whole of Kurdistan. It has been a phenomenal performance. And I'm exceptionally proud today. And I want to say well done to the students, well done to the parents for supporting them, and my word, well done to my colleagues, the teaching faculty, the educators, the administrators who took them on the journey to get their results. Very well done.